Yes, in this life, everything is easy when you are very determined. This is my cocoa farm. I bought this place about 8 years ago. Yes, it was just 1 acre from an old man who needed money for something urgently. So I bought it and started small, small, little by little. I didn't inform anybody because I know what is behind me. But today, I want to share with the world, especially the youth, that when you are a monthly salary worker, don't try to buy gadgets with your money. Don't try to buy a car with your money. Do or invest into farming. And I tell you, you are not going to lose. All you need to do is start by just small, small. Okay? Because one, you are not in competition with anybody. So when you cannot do cocoa because cocoa is 4 years, and you cannot do, you can invest into other produce, which is farming, cassava, plantain, maize. Animal farming is there. You can do everything. Okay? Farming, you will never ever regret. When there's lockdown, you are not locked down. You understand. So this is my farmland, and spirituality is something I brought onto this journey. But at the end of the day, I need to farm. I need to farm so that I can put something on the table. You are still watching African Ancestral Wisdom, and today we're going to talk about farming. What are you investing into? Are you investing into building? Are you construction? Are you doing? I don't know what you are doing, but remember, your ancestors were farming. They were farmers. That is why they left all those properties for you. Don't think you are going to live in the city alone. Put your trust into somebody. Get a laborer. Okay? Pay that laborer, and that person will work for you. I didn't have money. I farm alone. Nobody helped me. But I know where I wanted to go. When I had a 2 acre, 3 acres, I said, no, let me also pay somebody so that somebody can be able to feed the family. You understand? When you are a spiritual person, farming is what you also have to do. From here, I'll take you to my animal farm that I started 3 months ago. It's goat rearing, yeah, goat farming. From there, I'll be doing rabbits. I'll be rearing rabbits. I have maize, plantain, cassava farm. I'll take you there for you to see what the Lord has done, what my ancestors have done, what the deities have done for me. I'm not here to brag, but it's just motivation for somebody out there who wants to do something in life. Yes. Don't be proud of white collar job. Be proud of farming. It's not easy. My brother Papa, look at my belt. You see my belt? So this is it. I know my great grandchildren will also benefit from this property, from this investment. Yes. I'm a gun boy and Voltarian half. But look at me. I have cocoa now. It's very, very big. So I have this yam here. Cocoa asibayere. That's what we call it. Cocoa asibayere. I have planted some there, so I'm going to harvest it. It's yam. Yeah. The young. This is the young. So I'm taking it there. Life is good when you understand what brought you here. So this is the cage for the goats. We are going to use the top. These are the goats in it. So the floor, we are going to squid it. Very, very big. At least you can get about 3 more boots. So this is the project. If I remember some months ago, I came to stand here. So this is how it is. So we use old sheets to just cover it. But when you check at the top, you see that it's a new roofing. So this is it. You see how it is? So let me go inside. So we have 4 for now. It's left with at least 2 or 1. So this is it. So check. Told you that we'll be able to make it. So I'll cement here very soon so that they can have some place to sleep. So this is it. And this is the best farmer.